Hello my bright teachers. Today I'm going to do a small tutorial on how to fill out your end of the year Excel spreadsheet. Alright, let's go. You want to go to the T drive or the teacher share drive. So you want to look for McBride teacher share. And I'm going to try second grade and look for your grade level. I'm going to try second grade. And then you want to look for a yellow folder that has end of the year Excel. End of the year Excel. And here it is, end of the year Excel, and it says shortcut. Okay, so now you're at your document. You want to click the document. Okay, and once the document opens, you'll notice down at the bottom you have some tabs. Okay, the first set of tabs is where you're going to do your student summaries, and you'll see that behind student summaries you have each homeroom teacher. So I'm going to start with Miss Cooper. Okay, Miss Cooper will look and see that she sees her class, last name, first name. And in these boxes you want to put a date. All you have to do is click in the box and enter the date and hit enter. Okay. Once you finish entering all of your data, all you have to do is save the document like you normally would up at the top with the little disk that's at the top. Or when you go to close out the document, if it asks you do you want to save, you just save. Okay. Now let's go down to the bottom where we see Tier 2. And you notice you'll see Miss Cooper's name again, but you'll see Miss Cooper has Tier 2 behind her name. So let's click that. Now for this one, what you do is find the student that you want to enter the information and click the box, right-click the box that's right next to the student's name, and that'll allow you to come down and insert a comment. When you're inserting your comments, I want you to notice that there's these little boxes all the way around. After you finish inserting all your comment, make sure you stretch it out so that you can see the comment later, and this is what that will look like. I'm putting all kind of data in about the student, whether it's for math, LLI, reading 180, and see how it's getting larger than the box. What you want to do is take the corner of the box and stretch it until it's below the wording before you save it. And what that does is when you press enter, okay, and then click over to the side of the box away from it, now there's a little red arrow to let us know that there's a comment. We stretch the box so that you can see everything that's in the box. If you don't stretch the box, it'll be like this one where you can't see all of the information that has been typed into the box. Okay, once again, once you finish putting in your data, make sure that you save the document. You don't have to save as, do not save as, just click save. When you click save and then close the document out, it would automatically give me the information that you just entered into your Excel sheet. If you have any questions, feel free to either email me or stop by and see me, and I'll be glad to help you. Until next time.